Welcome, you're watching Cricket Next. I'm right outside the MS Chidambaram Stadium here in Chennai. And for a change, the weather is not sunny, it's not hot, it's not humid. And the locals are telling me that it's the best weather they have had in the last couple of weeks, at least. The wind did play a lot of role yesterday, there wasn't much dew yesterday. Both Pat Cummins and Sanju Samson were surprised that no dew actually arrived. They wanted the total to be dew-proof, but the dew didn't just come. And the way conditions are shaping up today on the eve of the big final between KKR and Sunrisers Hyderabad, dew is likely to stay away from tomorrow's final too. Now, having said that, Chennai is used to hot and humid weather in this part of the year. It gets scorching hot. The humidity levels are right up there. It's still very humid, but the gentle breeze just blowing here and there. Since the afternoon hours, it's been very, very pleasant to say the least, and both captains would enjoy these conditions. It's a center wicket to say, either pitch 4 or pitch 5 would be used. Both captains agreed that it will be a red soil wicket. Runs would be on offer. Whether or not the spinners come into play depends on the dew, but the way the wind is going, the way the clouds have just allowed the sun to forced the sun to take a back seat. I think it's going to be a very even contest. This is the kind of contest which we need for a final, right? We don't want tosses and dew to be kind of deciding the course of the game. That is what happened in Ahmedabad. The pitch was completely different in the first half, and by the second half, when the dew kind of settled in, it became very even and very true for batting. I hope that's not the case here in Chennai, because there's not much support for the local side, because CSC have crashed out. There's no Thalla to cheer for, there's no Virat Kohli to cheer for, there's no Rohit Sharma to cheer for, there's no Jasprit Bumrah to cheer for. For that matter, there's no Hardik Pandya to cheer for. All they have to cheer for is Pat Cummins, a guy they wouldn't want to cheer for after what happened on November 19th at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad, and they have Shreyas Iyer. Shreyas Iyer, a man who's on a mission. He wants to set the record straight, hold the IPL trophy, and put the turbulent period which has happened for him in the last 6 months in Indian cricket well behind him. So you keep watching Cricket Next, because we will bring you all the updates here from Ground Zero. Hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us across our social media handles, because we'll ensure that you don't miss a ball.
Hello everyone, welcome to our new show Crick Sunday with me, Suramya Kaushik. कौन खेलेगा? क्या स्ट्रैटेजी होनी चाहिए? Well, इन सभी सवालों के जवाब आपको यहाँ पर नहीं मिलेंगे, क्योंकि क्रिक संडे में होगा एक स्कूप फन, एक स्कूप मीम और एक स्कूप full of controversies. Well, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter और अब Threads भी, इतने सारे social media platforms, और जितने platforms उतने memes और controversies भी, थोड़ी नोक-झोंक and a lot of entertainment. Join us every Sunday at 11 AM only on Cricket Next.